Blimey, that is bright. That's only on 5%. Hello and welcome to the vlog. Today you join me at Lymm Dam. I'm going to take some shots around here. I'm just going to go for a quick walk this morning before I head off home. I've just finished work about 15 minutes ago and drove down here on the way home. So yeah, I thought I'd do some photography and bring you guys along. So sit down, relax, get a cup of coffee, enjoy the vlog. Let's see what we can get. Well, I hope you can hear me with the rushing water in the background. So I've taken a few images this morning just of the bridge in the background. Now I've set the light up just on the other side so it just sort of shines through. A little bit of light touching the waterfall as it comes through. But yeah, mainly the light's been hitting the bridge structure, the metalwork on top of the stone. And yeah, it looks to have worked quite well, judging on the back of the camera. I hope you can see me because it seems particularly gloomy here in this part of the forest. I'm covered in trees, the rain's quite heavy as well. I'm not sure I'm going to be staying long in this location because even though it's after a bit of rain, bit of damp conditions, it's certainly excelled itself and gone way beyond. So I'm going to take a couple of more images here now the sunlight, now the daylight has started to come along. But even though we're in sort of daylight, it's coming up to 8 o'clock in the morning now. There still isn't light, it's still coming up with 10-second exposure on f/14. ISO 64, so it just shows how dark it is here. Just looking at the front of the screen on this camera, it's looking quite dark as well, so there will be a little bit of post-processing, shall we say, in Premiere. Right, so I'm going to take a few more images. I've taken the Lume Cube away now. It's getting a little bit too light for that to actually have any effect. Take a couple more images of this location and yeah, see what we can come up with. So it's quite a short vlog this morning. I just wanted to bring you guys out with me just to do a little bit of photography again in my local area. So today we're in Lymm. This is a dam, so this is the sort of top part. It comes down quite concentrated on the bridge, and that's why the water's quite loud there. All the way through into the main dam, which then goes into the village. There's a bit of a stream that leads from it. It's quite a picturesque area and certainly a place to come, certainly for autumnal colours, but also later on in the spring as well. The wildflowers were certainly around here, yeah, in their droves really. So yeah, fantastic place to come. Today isn't that sort of day. As I was walking here, I've brought my Wellingtons with me, and I'm so glad I did, because I was actually almost, well, a little bit concerned that the mud was actually going to go over the top of my wellies. So it's just waterlogged everywhere. It's just covered in water, rain, everything feels heavy, and yeah, just a little bit messy. So yeah, stick around this area for a little bit. Let's have a look, see what else I can get while I'm here, and then head home, get to bed. I'm back in work again tonight, and for some reason I've agreed to do some overtime. Did they not realise photography comes first? So it's probably time to finish the vlog here. Everything's getting absolutely drenched. I'm getting absolutely drenched, and yeah, it's not fun anymore. And the other issue as well, I've got the 14-24 on the front of the D810, and because it's got quite a bit of a bulbous front on the lens, raindrops are just falling on it. It's not almost like a magnet for raindrops. You wipe it, it's fine, take an image. By the time you've taken an image, there's more raindrops on it, and the lens cloth now is absolutely sodden. The other cloth I've got in the bag is sodden as well. I'm fighting a losing battle. So yeah, apologies for this being a bit too short, but no, I'm going to have to give up on this location. Every single bit of gear is getting drenched. This vlogging camera is getting drenched as well. So yeah, it's probably time to pack up. I'm going to put the images on in a moment. Hope you enjoy them. Hope you like them. If you do like them, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. There's going to be more content coming through on this channel, even if it's just local for the time being. But once the lockdown is removed, we're going further afield, and we'll see what other images and what locations we can get to. So stay tuned, subscribe, give me the thumbs up. I know it's a bit of a drab video, but yeah, my mood is sort of matching the weather at the moment. But take care from Lymm Dam in Warrington. All the best. Bye now.